In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Blender using Google. This process is straightforward, but by following along with me, you can ensure everything goes smoothly. First things first, let's open your Google browser. This is where we'll start our journey. Whether you prefer Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser, make sure it's open and ready to go before proceeding to the next step. Now, we need to head to Blender's official site to get the latest version of the software. In the search bar, type in blender.org download and press enter. This will direct us toward finding the official download link amid any other websites that might be offering the same download. It's essential to stick with the official site to guarantee that you're getting a secure and latest version. Once your search results load, focus on finding the first link displayed. Typically, this should be the blender.org site, which is where we'll be navigating to download our software. Once you've identified it, click on that first link. This should take you straight to Blender's download page, where you can download the latest version of this powerful 3D modeling tool. When you're on the page, look for the download button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on this button and your download should begin instantly. You should see a prompt or a notification indicating that the download has started. Now we wait for the download to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few minutes, so feel free to stretch your legs or grab a quick coffee while you wait. When the download is complete, you'll need to start the installation process. Go ahead and click the downloaded file to begin. This action will trigger the Setup Wizard, which is a guide to walk you through the installation. Once the wizard opens, you'll see a Next button. Click Next to proceed through the setup process. Here, you might want to take note of where the program will be installed. If you're happy with the default location, you can just click Next. Otherwise, you can choose a specific folder where you would prefer the program to be saved by selecting a different path and then clicking Next. Now, we're almost there. To wrap things up, click on Install to start installing Blender on your system. The installer will handle all the heavy lifting, and once it's done, you'll find the Blender icon on your desktop or Applications menu. Click on it to open up Blender and ensure everything is running smoothly. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Blender. Now you can start creating 3D models with ease. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need additional tips on getting started with Blender, feel free to drop a comment. Happy modeling!